This 40s inspired set is a beautiful modern version of a classic look. I'll show you how to use a curling iron to create the set and how to brush it out into soft polished waves. To achieve this classic look, we'll be using curling and backcombing techniques. Take a section from the top of the crown to behind the ear, and we're going to clip the front away from the back. And we're going to work our way up the back. We're going to start at a horizontal section at the nape of the neck. And as we do this, we're going to take our curling iron and do a flat barrel curl, very clearly, very well, setting it very strongly with a clean, clear technique. Now after I set each section, I'm going to take a clip and secure it because we really want to reinforce that curl and help it set and cool into its pattern. As I'm working my way up horizontally, I'm going to start at the root as close as possible, and then as I work my way through, if I need to pull it through to get those ends in, I can then wrap that back up very clearly. So I'm starting close to the root, wrapping that hair around itself nice and flat, really making sure to take my time to set it, and then get all of those ends in and then roll that back up. As I'm working, I'm going to make sure that it's nice and hot, that the hair is set well, and then before it cools, I'm going to clip it into place. So we really want to reinforce that curl so it stays and is set very well. I'm going to continue working my way up horizontally, and as I go, breaking it up into sections so they're manageable for me, starting very close to the root, wrapping that hair flat around the iron, high heat with some nice strong hairspray in there to set that hair, so that way that hair will be responsive and hold for a very long time. As I work my way through, I'm starting at that root, I'm wrapping that hair flat around the iron, and I'm setting it all the way through to the ends. As I get to the ends, I can pull it through a little bit and then continue to roll it around. You'll notice how strong and clean and clear my sections are. So I'll continue working horizontally all the way through the back until I complete the top. After I complete the top, it's time for me to move to the sides. As I go to the sides, I'll continue working in horizontal sections, working my way through from root to ends, making sure to secure the sections in place so these really set and cool clearly. As I continue working through, I'm going to make sure that that root gets as set as possible all the way to the ends, working that hair through the iron flat with high heat with some nice strong hold product to support the look. Once I've completed the set, it's time to take the clips out and brush the hair into itself and start to style it. So you'll notice I'm going section by section, undoing each section and then brushing through to undo some of that wave so that they start to combine together into the curl pattern. After I've brushed the hair out, I'm going to use a back brushing technique very lightly to push that curl back into place and create a little more body and a little more volume. The goal here is to help reinforce that curl and just create a little more movement within the style. And at the end result, we have a foundation that's built the curl and then a finishing that helps support the style so we understand the tools and techniques that get us to our end results.